Good morning, student. Today we are going to read chapter number 4, and the name of this chapter is Father's Eyes. Parents are the most beautiful and precious gift of God for every child. The talent of children becomes worthy when it's showered with blessings. What is the significance of father for a family? Let's read the story and we will see. This story is about a skinny young man who loved football with all his heart. Practice after practice, he eagerly gave everything he had. But being half the size of other boys, he got absolutely nowhere. At all the games, this hopeful athlete sat on the bench and hardly ever played. This teenager lived alone with his father, and the two of them had a very special relationship. Even though the son was always on the bench, his father was always in the stands cheering. He never missed a game. This young man was still the smallest in the class when he entered high school. However, his face was not only continued to encourage him but also made it very clear that he did not have to play football. He didn't want to. However, the young man loved football and decided to hang it there. He was determined to try his best at every practice, and he had got to play when he became a senior. All through high school, he never missed a practice or a game but remained a bench warmer all 4 years. His faithful father was always in the stands, still with words of encouragement for him. The meaning of bench warmer: a player in a sports team who does not play in many matches but is usually a substitute. When the young man went to the college, he decided to try out for the football team as a walk-on. Everyone was sure he could never make the cut, but he did. The coach admitted that he kept him on the roster because he always put his heart and soul to every practice, and at the same time provided the other members with the spirit and hustle they badly needed. What is the meaning of rooster, students? Rooster means a list of the people or things that belong to a particular group or team. And hustle means to make someone move quickly, especially or by pushing them. The news that he had survived the cut thrilled him so much that he raced to the nearest phone and called his father. His father shared the son's excitement and received season tickets for all the college games. The persistent young athlete never missed practice during his 4 years at college, but he never got to play in a game. It was the end of his senior football season, and as he trotted onto the practice field shortly before the big playoff game, the coach met him with a telegram. Persistent means determined to continue doing something even though people say that you are wrong and that you cannot do it. The young man read the telegram and he became deathly silent. Swelling hard, he mumbled to the coach, "My father died this morning. Is it all right if I miss practice today?" The coach put his arm gently around his shoulder and said, "Take the rest of week off, son. Also, don't even plan to come back to the game on Saturday." Saturday arrived, and the game was not going well. In the third quarter, when the team was 10 points behind, a silent young man quietly slipped into the empty locker room and put on his football gear. As he ran onto the sidelines, the coach and his player were astounded to see their faithful teammate back so soon. "Coach, please let me play. I have just got to play today," said the young man. The coach pretended not to hear him. There was no way he wanted his worst player in this close playoff game. However, the young man persisted and finally, feeling sorry for the kid, the coach gave in. All right, he said, 22, you can go in. Before long, the coach, the player, and everyone in stands could not believe their eyes. This little unknown who had never played before was doing everything right. The opposing team could not stop him. He ran, he passed, blocked, and tackled like a star. His team began to triumph. The score was soon tied. In the closing seconds of the game, the kid intercepted a pass and ran all the way for the winning touchdown. The fans broke loose. His teammates hoisted him onto their shoulders. Such cheering you never heard. Finally, after the stands had emptied and the team had showered and left the locker room, the coach noticed that this young man was sitting quietly in the corner all alone. The coach came to him and said, "Kid, I can't believe it. You were fantastic. Tell me, what got into you? How did you do it?" The young man looked at the coach with tears in his eyes and said, "Well, you knew my dad has died, but did you know that my dad was blind?" The young man swallowed hard and forced a smile. "Dad came to all my games, but today was the first time he could see me play. And I wanted to show him I could do it." So, student, moral of this story is believe in yourself. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work.